In the sunny town of Sparkleville lived a hero named Captain Cleanup. He didn't fight dragons, he kept everything sparkly and neat. With his bright blue cape and shiny sea for clean, Captain Cleanup's big smile made everyone want to help. He believed a tidy town was a happy town and was always ready for a cleaning adventure. Captain Cleanup's sidekick was Dusty, a brave, giggly dust bunny with a tiny red cape. Dusty's superpower? Wiggling his nose and making everyone laugh as he found hidden dust. Every morning, they started their day in Tidy Tower, the cleanest place in Sparkleville. Captain Cleanup polished his super soapy sponge, brilliant bristle brush, and fantastic feather duster. Dusty practiced his super fast wiggles. "Ready for a tidy day, Dusty?" Captain Cleanup would ask. "Squeak-a-doodle-doo," Dusty would reply. Together they patrolled Sparkleville, looking for little things to make better. A leaf here, a wrapper there. Nothing escaped their notice. They made sure everything was in its place, keeping Sparkleville the tidiest town around. They were a super clean team. One morning, Sparkleville was in chaos. A group of silly creatures had arrived. Meet the messy monsters, Splodge dripping jam, Grime covered in mud, and Crumble trailing biscuit crumbs. They weren't mean, just very, very messy. Splat, glop, crunch. The messy monsters tumbled into the town square, giggling as they made a mess. Splodge painted benches with jam, Grime rolled in the park's grass, and Crumble juggled biscuits, scattering crumbs everywhere. The once tidy square was now a sticky, muddy, crumbly mess. The townspeople peeked out, shocked. "Oh no, there's jam on my apron!" cried the baker. "Mud on my petunias!" wailed the gardener. The children couldn't play. The benches were too sticky. The messy monsters just giggled, not realizing their fun made others sad. Dusty wiggled his nose, pointing to the mess. Captain Cleanup grabbed his super sparkle binoculars and saw the disaster. "This looks like a job for us, Dusty. The messy monsters need to learn an important lesson." He gathered his tools, ready for action. The townspeople watched, hopeful. Captain Cleanup and Dusty set off to save the day, the clean way. The messy monsters had no idea what was coming. Sparkleville needed its heroes more than ever. Would the messy monsters learn to tidy up? Captain Cleanup was determined to show them how fun cleaning could be. The adventure was about to begin. With a whoosh of his cape, Captain Cleanup arrived in the messy square. Dusty bounced on his shoulder, squeaking with excitement. The messy monsters stared, surprised. "Halt, messy monsters!" Captain Cleanup called, smiling. "You're making a mighty muddle, but we're here to show you a better way." He twirled his fantastic feather duster and tickled Crumble, who giggled as crumbs flew. "Cleaning isn't a chore, it's fun. Let's turn this mess into a masterpiece." He dipped his super soapy sponge in water and wiped jam from a bench, drawing a smiley face in the bubbles. "We're not just cleaning, we're bubble painting," he cheered. The messy monsters watched, fascinated by the soapy swirls. Dusty rolled around, gathering crumbs into a neat pile, then did a wiggle dance. The messy monsters clapped their messy paws, amazed. Captain Cleanup showed that tidying could be a silly, happy game for everyone. The mood in the square began to change. Messy and sad turned to hopeful and happy. The children peeked out, curious. The messy monsters looked at each other, wondering if they could join in. Captain Cleanup winked, inviting everyone to play. The cleanup party was just getting started. "Now everyone," Captain Cleanup announced, "let's make cleaning fun with a song." He sang, "Pick it up, put it in, let the tidy fun begin. Every toy and every scrap in the bin with a happy clap." The children clapped along, the catchy tune spreading through the square. He pointed his brilliant bristle brush at the mud. "Scrub it now, with a wiggle wow. Make the mucky mud go pow." Dusty wiggled, and even Grime started to dance. Captain Cleanup wiped jam away, singing, "Wipe it clean, a sparkly sheen. Make the town a happy scene. A cleaning smile is the best style," he declared, grinning. The simple song turned cleaning into a game. The children joined in, humming and picking up crumbs. The messy monsters tapped their feet, wanting to join the fun. The song was like a magic spell for tidiness. Soon everyone was singing and cleaning together. The square was filled with laughter and music. The tidy-up party was in full swing. Captain Cleanup knew showing was better than telling. He gathered everyone around a pile of toys. Every toy has a home. This car parks in the toy box. This dolly naps on the shelf. He made cleaning up feel like tucking friends into bed. At the fountain, he sang, "First the water, then the soap. Rub your hands, that's the hope." As he washed his hands with bubbly soap, he showed how to scrub palms and between fingers. "This mess is too big for one hero, but together we can do it in a flash. Teamwork makes the dream work." Everyone had a job, passing rubbish, wiping benches, fluffing up dust. The messy monsters watched, amazed at how much fun everyone was having. They saw that cleaning could be just as fun as making a mess. The children laughed and helped, learning new habits without even noticing. The lesson was clear: teamwork and tidiness go hand in hand. Splodge looked at his sticky hands, then at the clean bench. He dipped a finger in soapy water. "Oh, bubbly!" and soon was swirling a sponge, making the walls sparkle. Grime picked up a brush, poked at the mud, then started scrubbing with a wiggle wow, grinning as the pavement shone. Crumble watched Dusty roll up crumbs, then grabbed a dustpan and swept every crumb into the bin. The messy monsters were now tidy monsters. Captain Cleanup cheered, "Hooray for the tidy monsters!" The monsters puffed out their chests, proud to help. They sang the Tidy Up song with everyone, their deep voices rumbling with joy. "Pick it up, put it in, let the tidy fun begin." Children and monsters worked side by side, cleaning the square together. The mess disappeared, replaced by smiles and laughter. The messy monsters discovered that cleaning was a game they loved. Captain Cleanup gave them a thumbs up. Sparkleville was sparkling once more. The team was stronger than ever. Then, soon, the town square was spotless, cleaner than ever. The benches shone, the flowers smiled, and everyone cheered. Captain Cleanup gathered everyone. "You did it. Together, you turned a mess into a tidy triumph." The tidy monsters beamed with pride. To celebrate, Captain Cleanup started a Tidy Town dance party. Everyone danced, the Super Scrub Shuffle, the Dust Bunny Boogie, and the monsters Wiggle and Wipe. Laughter echoed through Sparkleville. As the sun set, Captain Cleanup reminded everyone, keeping your space clean is a way to care for our world and each other. The tidy monsters promised to stay tidy forever, and as Captain Cleanup and Dusty waved goodbye, Sparkleville knew that being clean was the best adventure of all.